Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to my students. Weather here in Rawalpindi, Pakistan is very pleasant over here, and I'll say Ramzan Mubarak to my Muslim students um, in the whole world wherever they are living, and they'll be observing fasts today. It is first Ramzan over here in Pakistan, and we are also enjoying a good weather over here. So let us start our exercise. The rest of the exercise examination questions, and these are from question number 8. Now I'll start from question number 8. We have already done all the questions up till question number 7. So question number 8. So we have to calculate. Sometimes I write abbreviated form, so please do not mind this. Calculate a 26 raised to power 2. Now this is a very simple question, and it does not require any expertise. We simply have to do it. We have to write 26 and we have to multiply. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12. 13, 14, 15. And leave a cross over here, and the rest is 52. 2 6 times is 12. 1 got carried. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1 5. 6 7 6. Now this is 676 answer. Similarly, part B is 42 the whole cube. Now this may be a little lengthy question. 43 like we did over here. If you are using calculator, then it is very simple. If not, if you are doing manually, then you have to do it like this. And I tell you that doing manually will give you more practice and you will be more expert in doing maths. 3 times 9, 4 times 12. Write it. 3 times 9, 4 times, and 4 times. Put a cross over here. 4 3s are 12. 1 got carried. 4 times 16 and 117. 481. Again with 43. Because it is power 3 now. 3 times 27. 2 got carried. 4 times 12. 4. 14. 3 8 times 24 and 1 25. 2 3 1 3 and 5, and 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 4 is 16. 17 18 19, and 4 times 32 and 33. 4 times 1 and 7. 7 0 5 6 and 3 9 7. 79,000. Now it will become 79,507. Question number 9. So this was question number 8. Question number 9. What is the smallest number greater than 100? That is, now what is the smallest number? What is the smallest number greater than 100, that is greater than 100. Now what is the smallest number greater than 100, which is now the part which is divisible by 2, which is divisible by 2. What is the smallest number greater than 100? Now greater than 100, that means up till 100 we just we can just leave up till 100. Now we have to start from 101. So 101 is not divisible by 2, but 102 is divisible by 2, because what I told you in my earlier lectures, that if we have an even number or 0 at the end of any number, that will be divisible by 2. Now this is the smallest number greater than 100. It is greater than 100. Yes, it is greater than 100, and it is the first number which can be divisible by 2. So it can be divisible by 2. You can check it, and if you divide it by 2, it will become 51. Now the main part will remain as this one. For this part B, divisible by 10 now. Now it will divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. Now greater than 100 and divisible by 10, and we should not have any remainder as well. So divisible by 10. So divisible by 10 is again very simple. 110. Now this number is the smallest number after 100, which can be divisible by 10. Now you can divide it by 10. 100, 10 and 10. 10 1 times 10, and you see that 10 1 times 10 again with no remainder. So 110 is the smallest number greater than 100, which can be divisible by 10. Divisible by 4. Now divisible by part C is divisible by 4. What is the smallest number greater than 100, which can be divisible by 4? The test of divisibility says that the number which have 2 even in the last, that is divisible by uh, that is divisible by 4. But best convention is to leave the convention. You know that after 102 there is a number coming that is divisible by 4, and it does not satisfy our this thing, because 0 is not an even number. But even then, this number is divisible by 4 after 100. Question number 10. And it is at noon one day, the outside temperature is 4 degrees centigrade. Question number 1, question number 10. The outside temperature is 4 degrees C. By midnight, the temperature is 8 degree. Now, at noon, temperature was 4 degree, and at midnight, the temperature is 8 degrees centigrade. 8 degree lower. What is the temperature? Is in at 8 at midnight? It is 8 degree lower than the noon. So what we do? We have to find that what is the temperature in the midnight. So it is very simple. We have to draw a number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have to go far more away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here is the temperature 4 degree centigrade at the noon. This is the temperature. This is the temperature at noon. Now in the midnight the temperature is lower, 8 degree lower now. 8 degree lower than the noon temperature. Now what we do is we have to draw some lines over here also. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is all is minus side. Okay. Now we keep on counting 8 digits or 8 degrees from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what comes? It is, we come over here and this is our midnight temperature. Now what is the midnight temperature? -4 degrees centigrade. It is -4 degrees centigrade. -4 degrees centigrade. It is very easy in other form also, that we have to write -8 over here and 4, and if we just make the difference it will become 4, -4. Question number 11. Oh yeah, उसी से चैन करेगा. Some questions with broad-based rules. Simplify, we have to simplify, and these are very simple questions. A 6 multiplied 2 plus 4 multiplied 5. 6 multiplied 2 plus 4 multiplied 5. Now we have to apply BODMAS rule over here. So first of all, multiplication. 12 plus 20. What will become? 2 and 32 is the answer. And you see, if you don't apply the BODMAS rule, sometimes you will add these two numbers. Now it will become 6. And 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. And 36 multiplied by, oh, far away from this answer. Now part B. Question number 11, part B is 4 multiplied within the brackets 100 minus 15. Very simple again. We have to solve the bracket first. And that is 4 multiplied by, now what it will become? It will become 85. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 8 is 32. And 234 answer. 340 answer. Part C. Again very simple. 5 plus 6 multiplied 2 plus 15 minus 3 multiplied 2 bracket close and minus 6. It is very again simple, but we have to use BODMAS rule. Now there are two brackets, and in the two brackets one is simple and one is little complex. So not very complex, but a little complex. So we'll do it. First, the bracket is 11. Now, when you solve the bracket, you need not to write the bracket anymore. It will become 11 times 12 plus. Now we have to solve this. You see that in within the bracket, we again have to follow the BODMAS rule. Now this will become 6. This will become 6 and minus 6. Again, you can solve this because it is multiplication. 15 minus 6 is 9. And again, when you have solved this, you can leave it minus 6. So what will come? 9 minus 6 is 3. It will become 22 minus plus 3, and that will become 25 answer. Only one question left, and that is question number 12. The rest of 5 questions are the questions which have already has been asked in the Cambridge session, Cambridge papers. So we'll do them separately. Now it says that this is the question: 7 plus 14 divided by 4 minus 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 14. Now we have to bring this answer by inserting correct brackets at place. We have to place brackets such that this answer should come. So what will we do here? Just look at it is 14. Now how we can obtain 14 from this whole sentence over here? If I place bracket over here, what will become? 7. Now you see that I cannot place bracket over here because 4, when 14 is divided by 4, the answer will be in decimal fraction. So here the bracket cannot be inserted. So what we do? So try another place of inserting a bracket. So I have put a bracket over here. Then I have to put a bracket over here. A bracket over here and a bracket over here, and leave this 2 as it is. Now we'll solve it. 21 divided by, now this become 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14. Now according to BODMAS rule, you have to divide it first, then go to multiplication. So 21 when divided by 3 is 3 7 times 21. Multiplied by 2 is 14. The answer is correct now. The answer is correct. So my dear students, this was the last question of this exercise, and the exercise was the examination practice. So it's time to say goodbye to you for this session. So remain in touch with me, and if you have any difficulties in solving these questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. It's time to say sign off from you now. Allah Hafiz, and have a good day and nice day. And have a happy Ramzan as well.